The eyes reflects your soul. Or was it the other way around? The son of the Toros is becoming a mangaka. It's a journey that started good and will be ongoing, with everything that comes with it. The repetitions and the countless hours. Padawan Toro is pushing through with a passion of 1,000 suns. There's been lots of mentioning of learning through repetition on this channel, mainly because it's the best way to teach your brain the movements. As a beginner, there are always questions, of course, but the best way is always to try and solve things by yourself. While learning, Padawan Toro asks about the positions of the eyes. On an earlier video, we went through the body position, including the head. But how about the eyes? What should you think about when drawing eyes in different positions? If you draw a face, then the eyes should be in the same height as the ears. This is if it's directly in front. Should the head move, then the eyes should follow, right? If you move the head to the left, then the position of the ears doesn't change. Same thing goes for the right, right? Right. If your head is looking down or up in a lowered position, the eyes moves. You should here use the broad V. The ears are now higher. Now the V isn't a normal one. It is very broad. This could make the eyes look more angry or vicious. It is very effective and overused. When a character is angry or enraged, then you know what to use. If we're looking down, then it's the complete opposite. It's an upside down V that is equally broad. The ears are now lower. So imagine the broad V and the upside down one. They are your guide. Penciling, you can use it as a guide too, but eventually it's better to remember it and imagine it. There are many imaginary helping guides you can use. Many will be made up in your head. You can also learn the many that is used by me. Now, did you feel this was helpful? Then please leave a comment. If there's more you want to learn, ask and it will be provided. Now, don't forget to subscribe. Your journey has only begun. Thank you for watching and take good care of yourselves out there.